This oil for massage from Philippines. We are we need to massage the foot like this. And there's someone sleeping already. How to massage the foot, guys, like this. Baho. Baho yung oil pala. I mean the good smell because also the oil. When you put oil like massage oil. So good. Anyway, this is relaxing massage and you feel like already sleep. Okay? You know, oh, you're already sleeping, guys. Because also tired from work. So you need to relax and massage a little. Mm. Next, we next massage is the one legs. I want anyway, I already massage the legs here, and then this one. Okay, you can also make like this slow massage. Yeah. Do you know I'm not studying massage, but I watching the someone always massages, and I copy that. Like I'm study how massage, so